Hi, English Balbharati Standard 1, Unit 2, 1 number rain poem, textbook page number 14. You say, 1 number rain poem. Question, look, listen, sing. देखो, सुनो, गाओ. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. बारिश सब तरफ गिर रही है. यह खेत और पेड़ पर गिरती है. It rain on the umbrellas here and on the ship at sea. यह छतरियों पर बारिश होती है और जहाजों पर गिर रही है. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rain on the umbrellas here and on the ship at sea. Question. Some sentence uses 1 number. It is a raining. 2nd number. There are clouds in the sky. 3rd number. There are 2 umbrellas. 4th number. The grass is green. 5 number. There are tree in the field. 6th number. There is a ship at sea. Question. Look and say. Rain means पाऊस. Falling means पडणारा. Around means भोवती. Field means मैदान और शेतातील. Tree means झाड. Umbrella means छत्री. Ship means जहाज. Sea means समुद्र. Here means येथे. Question. Underline the things that you see in the picture given on textbook page number 14. Cloud, flag, flood, grass, rain, sail, ship, tree, umbrella. Assignment. Question 1. Look and say. Rain means पाऊस. Falling means पडणारा. Around means भोवती. Field means मैदान और शेतातील. Tree means झाड. Umbrella means छत्री. Ship means जहाज. Sea means समुद्र. Here means येथे. Question 2. Underline the things that you see in the picture given on textbook page number 14. Cloud, flag, flood, grass, rain, sail, ship, tree, umbrella.